Hello guys, welcome to Medical Maniac. So today let's talk about obesity. What's that? Obesity is a condition in which your body accumulates an excessive amount of body fat. Now it's a serious medical problem more than just a cosmetic problem because it leads our way to the risk of other diseases and health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure and certain cancers. There may be many reasons for obesity. It may be genetical, physiological, psychological, environmental, combined with food intake, activity levels, and medical conditions of your body. One hopeful thing is that even slight weight loss can improve or prevent the health problems associated with obesity. A healthier diet, increased physical activity, and behavioral changes can help you lose your weight. How can you calculate obesity? Or how to calculate or how to measure or how to declare that this patient or this particular person is obese? So, obesity can be determined by calculating mass index, body mass index. Body mass index or BMI is a person's weight in kilograms divided by the square of height in meters. A high BMI can indicate high body fatness. BMI screens for weight categories that may lead to health problems, but it does not diagnose the body fatness or health of an individual. What are the causes of obesity? Genetic factors. Genes have an important role in determining the amount of body fat you store and where that fat is distributed. Genetics may also play a role in deciding your metabolism, how your body regulates your appetite. It also regulates how your body burns calories during the exercise. Obesity runs in families not only because of the genes they share, but the same households tend to have similar dietary habits. Unhealthy diet. A diet that's high in calories, lacking essential vitamins and minerals is not at all good for your body. Most of the processed and canned foods from multinational global chains have high amounts of sugar and fat with less nutrients. This not only increases weight but also affects the overall functioning of the body. People can drink many calories without feeling full, especially calories from alcohol and other beverages. Other high calorie beverages such as sugary soft drinks can contribute to significant weight gain. Improper sleep. It's seen that disrupted sleep cycles affect the metabolism of your body directly. It disrupts the productions of essential hormones like leptin and ghrelin, and this in turn results in overeating. Inactivity. If you have a lazy lifestyle, your calorie usage will be very minimal than your total intake. A normal man needs about 2500 calories a day, while a woman needs only 2000 calories. Also, the number of hours spent in front of a screen or in your bed is directly proportional with the weight gain, unless you have a proper exercise. Medications. Some medications such as antidepressants, tranquilizers, anti-seizure medications, diabetic medications, antipsychotic medications, steroids and beta blockers can be the cause of weight gain in many patients. It may stimulate your appetite or increase sleep duration, which in turn affects the body metabolism. Age. Obesity can occur at any age. Now it is the most common in teenagers and youngsters. This is because of lack of physical activity and heavy intake of processed junk food. It tends to increase as you are getting older. As your physical activity is less at that time, also, women in their 30s tend to gain weight because of pregnancy and hormonal changes related to that. So, what are the complications of obesity? Obese people are susceptible to develop a number of high serious health problems, including heart blockages. Obese people can easily get high blood pressure as well as abnormal cholesterol levels. After a long time, it can manifest as heart disease and stroke. Mental problems. It is important to note that mental wellness of a person depends on the happy hormones in the body. These hormones will be produced if you are having good physical activity. Diabetes. Overweight people have disrupted ways of insulin usage to control blood sugar levels. This raises the risk of type 2 diabetes. Digestive problems. Obesity increases the chances of developing heartburn and acidity problems. This in turn causes many serious gastrointestinal problems. Sleep problems. Obese people are more likely to have sleep disorders including insomnia and sleep apnea. Body balance. If you're having extra pounds, it can increase the stress placed on your weight bearing joints, which in turn results in inflammation within the body. It disrupts your body balance and can lead to complications such as osteoarthritis and knee pain. Low immunity. If you are unhealthy, you will have a weak immune system. It must be noted that you are susceptible to pandemics such as COVID-19. So it is important to have a healthy lifestyle for a fit body and happy mind. Gear up your perseverance, pick up your running shoes and have a nutritious meal to earn a healthy and happy life. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. We'll meet you on another video of Medical Maniac. Thank you. Bye.